Welcome, this is the inspection video for number 508 at 243 Franklin Street in Melbourne. As you can tell by location, we're here adjoining the CBD, Queen Vic Market, and Flagstaff train station is just a few moments walk around the corner, tram lines as well. Laneway here leads down to the communal front entrance porch. Communal access, video, secure entry system. And just the return view back up to the Franklin Street and Queen Vic Market behind. Stepping inside to the Infinity 88 building. Walkway through to double lift, residence post, and in the ceiling there you'll perhaps not be able to see, but there's 24/7 video surveillance. Take the elevator up to the 5th floor landing. Moving inside, property was, so the walls and ceiling and all the timber work was recently repainted, so that's all in good condition. Carpet to all other areas and tile areas to bathroom and kitchen. To the left, we have the bathroom. Second left is the master bedroom, and obviously then moving forward into the living, dining, second bedroom and kitchen. Bathroom itself is very tidy, no defects to note, all in good condition. Good storage, decent shower cubicle with overhead extraction. Moving down, property is approximately 6 or 7 years old. Here's the main switchboard. So everything is in reasonably good order. Building has a sprinkler system throughout, you can see in the ceiling there. Further sliding door, obscured glass, into a very generous master bedroom. As you can see, queen size bed here with heaps of space either side for bedside cabinets, double fitted robes with sliding doors, and further space for tall boy TV, etc. Nice opening here into quite a generous living area. Total square meterage inside is 36 square meters plus balcony. As you can see, quite a large size sofa here. Heaps of space for wall mounted TV, overhead split system cooling, video entry system. Nice big double glazed doors. Yeah, let's just confirm it's double glazed. Oh, it's actually, I think, correction, single glazed, but it's extremely quiet. Good seal all the way around with blackout roller blind above, out onto the balcony. Kitchen is, although compact, is pretty well equipped actually. So we've got stone bench tops here, tile splashback, gas top cooking. This space here, some people have installed an electric fan assisted oven into this space, or equally you could go a low level fridge, sort of freezer compartment. Space for microwave, low level smeg dishwasher. Obviously some drawers and overhead units. Adjacent laundry, provisions space for washing machine, wall mounted dryer, overhead extraction again, and a useful vanity basin. Moving into the second bedroom, we've got it set up as a study, but previously there was a bunk bed actually running across here, so a single bed can fit inside this room. Although, like I say, for presentation purposes, we've set it up as a study. Here could be an idea to use this property, obviously on the traditional rental market as a 12-month regular rental. Rent here I'm estimating between 475 and 525. Furnished regular would be probably in the region of 525 to 550, and then ultimately short stay would exceed that by some degree. What a couple of clients that have looked at this have considered is probably putting in a good quality sofa bed here into the lounge and use this second room behind me as a privacy room, dressing room for any additional guests, and or as is a study. Could appeal quite nicely to a more professional demographic, but really depends on the strategy and obviously body corporate rules with regards to short stay. Out on the balcony. Aspect's quite nice. So in terms of orientation, I believe here is about north, possibly over here. So orientation is east to north. This will remain unchanged. Actually quite a good level of light coming through here. It's quite nice with the break between the buildings. Just actually makes the property feel quite light and bright. Got the Daikin aircon unit outside, good quality. That pretty much sums it up. Obviously, I've prepared this video in light of the potential lockdown that we're going to move into. I hope this helps. If you are looking at this and you have interest in the property, do give me a buzz on 0426 501 855. Permitting obviously movement regulations, I'll be able to arrange a private inspection for you to come through. Thanks for watching. Like I say, my name's Steve James. All my contact details are on realestate.com, and feel free to connect on the mobile anytime. Thank you.